Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to delete a business portfolio inside Facebook Ads Manager. If you created a portfolio by mistake or just don't need it anymore, this video is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to Business Settings. First, log into your Facebook Ads Manager. On the left-hand side, click on All Tools and then select Business Settings. This is where all your business assets, including portfolios, are managed. Step 2. Open the Portfolio section. Inside Business Settings, scroll down to find Business Portfolios. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the portfolios you've created. Step 3. Select the portfolio. Now, choose the portfolio you want to delete. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you manage multiple clients or pages. Click on the portfolio to open its details. Step 4. Remove assets if required. Before deleting, Facebook may require you to remove any assets linked to the portfolio, such as ad accounts, pages, pixels, and Instagram accounts. Simply unassign or remove these assets one by one. Step 5. Click Delete. Once everything is cleared, look for the option Delete Portfolio or Remove Portfolio. Click on it, confirm the action, and Facebook will permanently delete the portfolio from your business manager. And that's it. Your business portfolio has been successfully deleted. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you want a video on how to organize your assets inside Business Manager. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.